Morning students, we are back with our online computer classes. The first unit, communication skills, and the first chapter, methods of communication. Dear students, methods of communications are of three types. One is verbal, second is non-verbal, and the third one is visual. As you all know, verbal communication, we use words and simple sentences to communicate each other. Yes, it can be of different types that we'll explain it later. There are non-verbal communications also. Yes, we'll discuss it again after verbal communication. And one more type of communication is visual communication. Now, let's go in detail with verbal communication. As you all know, this is the most popular means of sharing information or ideas. People use words to exchange thoughts, feelings, and ideas with others through common languages. You need a common language to communicate with others or a group of people. Okay, if you want to use this medium of verbal communication. There are two primary mediums of verbal communication. Yes, these types are oral communication and written communication. As I told you earlier, the oral communication refers to the spoken words. Spoken words being used to convey messages in the form of sentences. We choose certain words to form a sentence and to give a meaningful message. So, what is oral communication? It basically refers to spoken words being used to convey the messages. It is a two-way process that involves both speaking and learning. In another sense, you can say it's a two-way process where we need a sender and a receiver. Yes, the sender sends the message and the receiver receives the message. So speaker, who is the speaker? The sender is the speaker and the receiver is the listener. So this is oral communication. What is a written communication? A communication basically through selected written words. These are more formal communication. It's a more formal form of communication. Yes, it can be through speech, it can be through letter, it can be through email, it can be through circulars, it can be through notes. Yes, so this is a most formal recorded form of communication, and it always requires the selected choice of words in a sentences. We need to be very careful when we have this written form of communication. We'll explain some more part of communication in later videos. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.